Hello, Contour Heidi here from Lumpology.com, and welcome back to another BGE tutorial. Today we are going to be making a screen recording for your game. So there'll be a button to turn it on and a button to turn it off. They'll be the same button to make sure. It's going to be property based, so there'll be one property on off. And let me just demonstrate. So this is what you should end up with. You press P. And so I've just got a little thing up here to make it seem like an animation. But watch this property. I press tab, it turns on. It starts recording the game, or whatever game you'll have. And then I just press tab and it'll turn off again. I leave. And my video has shown up in this folder. I haven't been able to find a way to actually put it into a video yet. So this is only a temporary fix. I will update this tutorial soon, but I know all Windows computers come with a thing called Windows Live Movie Maker. I don't know if the new ones do. I'm pretty sure they do. But so what you could do is you'd if you wanted to make a tutorial for this, you could bring up this and grab all of these, bring them in, and then say like 0.10 duration, 0.03 duration, play, yeah, something like that, and notice it's playing out. So yeah, there we go. I'm going to delete I'm actually going to delete this .blend and the folder. Oh wait, I should close the .blend first, so then I can start anew. And alright, so let's start. So it's actually going to be very simple. So let's pretend we have a game. I'm not actually going to make a game. So delete your scene. Actually, I'll make a quick game. Control-Alt-0, Shift-F. I'm going to go up a little ways. Let's go from here. I'll make a cube. Shift-A. Make a cube. Scale down a little. I'm going to drag up my bottom window and turn it to a logic editor. We could just go to scripting. Let's make a good window. And change this to a logic editor. Yeah, this works better. Much better. Okay, so now I'm going to go down. Okay, so we got this here. I'll add some logic to the cube. So I'll say keyboard when the spacebar is pressed, then motion on the Z-axis up. Let's just, oh, I should go to Blender Game V. There. It works. I'm not going to worry about textures. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to select the camera. And we're going to need 2 keyboard sensors and 3 property sensors. We're going to need 2 property actuators. We're going to need a Python controller and 2 AND controllers, as well as 1 property set to integer. Okay, I would start by naming these. It can be good, so like on is 1, on is this, and on is this. That way we have a kind of connection. And I'm going to set this to 1, so I have a tick rate, and that slows down so it doesn't take like 1,000 pictures every second of video. So then I'm going to hit tab, and I'm going to hit tab. On the next one is going to be off, and I'll just set up these. It doesn't actually matter, you don't need to, but I like to organize my stuff. 1, tick, rate, tab, tab. And yes, there's not going to be we're going to use 1 button to turn on and off. We're going to head on the property. I'm just going to name the property on also, and it's going to be equal. Yeah, equal Oh, and I'm going to call this property integer on/off, just for organization. It's going to be on/off and value 0. This one is going to be equal on/off value 1. So we're going to be using a bit of a binary style thing. Oh, and this is going to be off. So 0 is off in this case, and 1 is on. I'm actually going to tap this and go down here. I'm going to check physics visualization frame rate, debug perfectly, and mouse cursor thingy, whichever. I am going to now, this one is going to be equal on/off 1, and we're going to be recorder. I probably didn't spell that right, but whatever. Tap, tick weight 1. Oh, my bad about this. This needs to be tick weight rate of 100. This property is the actual recorder. These are just the things that change the property. This is what actually actuates. So when it's at 1, it starts recording. So the recorder needs to go into the Python. So I'm going to call this recorder into the Python controller. Both ons need to go into the on slot, and both offs need to go into the off slot. There's no need for tick rate on the property for off. So then on is going to wire into on and off into off. There we go. Now under on, we're going to say add property off 1, and then in this we're going to say add property on off -1. There we go. And that's the property system covered. If we hit play, we can, spacebar moves the cube, tab is on, and tab turns off the property. You can see the property here. And it takes 100 ticks for it to turn on and off if you hold tab. So that's simple enough. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to go to our desktop. Actually, we're going to need to save the .blend file first. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and I can just call it recorder tet. Save .blend file. And some of you may be asking, because we're going to write a script to take the snapshots. So why use the snapshot, not use the new game screenshot? Well, you see, here's the thing. The screenshot thing replaces the old screenshot. I don't like that. Also, there's just some things about this that are flawed and that will be much better if we accomplish them with Python. So that's what we're going to do. So you cannot use the screenshot thing for this until they fix said. So I'm just going to check all of these things down here, and we're going to create a new script. Okay, so on the first line, we're going to say import BGE. We're going to tap this on the fourth line. Let's say we're going to define main colon, open bracket, open parentheses, close parentheses, colon. And then we're going to hit enter. Const equals BGE dot logic dot get current controller, open parentheses, close parentheses. I don't know if people who use Java do open parentheses and close parentheses. I mean, Python use open parentheses and close parentheses. I'm a Java. I started out in Java, so that's what I called it. I'm going to say own equals cont dot owner. Oh, my bad. Ew, this could be bad. BGE. I want to go around later and be wondering why it's not working. Okay, now we're going to hit this, and we're going to say BGE dot render dot make screenshot. And I'm gonna make two of these quotations and say /record, and then I'm gonna say /cap hashtag dot png. And then I'm going to enter. We're going to enter on line 11, main, open parentheses, close parentheses. I think this is what the script should look like. We could call it screen recorder. Yeah, okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go on the desktop, we're going to right click and say new, because this is the folder. I'm going to say record. We called it. And I'll just drag this under here. I hope this works. So we're going to move to the side, B play, tab on. Okay, I think it's working. All of this, all this went down. I'm going to tab out and turn it off. Oh, and tab off. And let's check the record folder. I'd say this works. And notice the reason I put that hashtag right here, is so that we could get these numbers after the. So let's see. I would probably import it all into Windows Movie Maker or something simple. So yeah, this is just simple. I'm going to update the tutorial as soon as I can to make it so it automatically compiles all these into a video. So yeah. This is going pretty good. So well, let's see. Yeah, okay. So that is a pretty simple screen recorder. Don't forget to file save. I would probably go down here and say text save as, and then save it as a script. So yeah. Comment down below if you think there's a way I could automatically compile it into a script. I'm a bit new to Python, so I don't actually know. But this has just been a quick tutorial. I hope you've liked it. The reason I put this code on the camera is so it's always with you. There's always a quick way to access it if you need it changed, and all these logic bricks and stuff. And I highly suggest organizing and naming all your logic bricks to go with it. And so yeah, this is okay. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what tutorial you want me to make next in the comments below. And so long for now. Yeah, also, comment down below if you want me to make a binary tutorial. I was considering doing a line of those. It might be cool. So, yeah, see you later.